I'm not. No.
You tried.
Like.
You tried to do the good thing. I really hope that's a student driver in front of you with that bumper sticker.
Me too. Me too.
You wanna learn how to drive? Come drive in downtown Atlanta. I got picked as the dad who was supposed to go pick up the food for the team, and I'm not even sure where the heck this place is. It's up here on the big office building.
I don't know what's wrong with these girls over there.
Who knows?
The people walking down, this guy is walking down here, like. I hope it's not a teen takeover right now, or they're doing the donut crap.
Oh yeah.
Because well, there's police.
There's cops right there, right?
Yeah. Because it's notorious in Atlanta for, even though it's against the law.
Yeah, you do donuts.
To-
It's like that.
Yeah.
We had the same issue in Birmingham.
For real?
And they started putting structures in the intersections, like the not speed bumps, but like miniature little bumps in the middle of the intersections to keep them, because if you do spin outs and you hit that stuff from the side, it'll destroy your tire.
Destroy your tire.
Yeah, so they
Good way
started
of
putting
doing
those in all the intersections to try to curb it. It's worked for the most part, I think. They just move and find a new place, new part of town to do it.
And no, I don't mind them doing donuts or even drag racing, but do it on a country road.
Don't do it around a million people.
That's all. I mean, and the person I'm picking up is at Chipotle too. So
Are they really?
yeah. So
That's unreal. You can't beat that. Well, I'm happy for you.
You've been to? Yep. Ooh, Lord. I'm glad I didn't open my door. That's really dangerous. You ever been to Florence, Alabama?
Yeah, I have.
I went there a few times. It's actually nice out there.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what these motherfuckers are doing, but whatever. And we're not even in May or